2, 3. Yee. Hello there, foreign beauties. Your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we are going to be doing a bikini wax with Flamingo. Yes, I was so excited to get my hands on this and to try this out. Right now, during the quarantine situation and everything that's going on with COVID, we are not allowed, or we are not able to go and get our waxes that we would get usually around this time at any wax center, wax spa, or place. And a lot of us are approaching and doing at home wax kits. Use the Flamingo Pubic hair wax kit to actually show you guys how you can wax your bikini line at home in the most efficient, safe way possible. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's jump into what comes in this kit, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start the process. So this is the Flamingo Pubic hair wax kit. So it comes with 24 ready to use wax strips in shapes and sizes for every style. It has 8 post wax cloths and 1 easy to follow instruction tablet and extra resources online. This is gynecologist and dermatologist tested. It's free of artificial colors and fragrances, and this product is not tested on animals. Easier than you think, and specifically designed to safely and swiftly remove pubic hair. No mess. Our soft gel wax doesn't require heating, and post-wax cloths remove any residue left over. No stress. This kit is tested for safety, so the only thing you have to think about is your waxing technique, and we'll talk about that as we go. No shame. 3 shapes for easy styling, so the only awkward position you'll find yourself in is the one you choose. And we'll also go over like different sizes that come in here. And when you open it up, it's going to come with another little box on the inside with 8 post wax cloths. So they come with these, the post wax cloths, instruction manual, which we'll jump into, and then it comes with 3 different sizes of wax strips, which I will individually show you as we are waxing. So let's jump into prepping. So before you wax yourself, there are a few things that you want to make sure that you are doing beforehand. I forgot to mention, it is very important to do a patch test 24 hours before using this product so that you know how your skin reacts, or if you don't have an allergic reaction. So it's very important to do that first before using this product. Number 1, you want to make sure your skin is clean, so you want to shower beforehand. And if you do shower exactly before you decide to wax, please wait a couple of hours and let that skin dry down so that it's not moist, because another thing is that you want the skin to be dry. Okay, you want it to be dry so that the wax can adhere to the hair and there's no moisture barrier between the hair and the wax. This is what comes in. This is the before you rip. Before you rip, this is the instruction manual. I actually really do like this instruction manual. Out of all the instruction manuals that I've seen when it comes to the waxing world, this one is so detailed. Like, being a first timer, if you're a first timer waxing yourself at home, this kit is going to give you so much guidance. And so that's one of the things that really does catch my attention when it comes to the Flamingo wax kit, pubic wax kit. It says, before prepare your skin. So skin should be clean and dry. Soft gel wax is already the right temperature and consistency. So there's no need to rub it between your hands like other waxes. If you shower before you wax, wait 10 to 20 minutes so that skin has time to cool down. I do wax my bikini every 3 to 4 weeks. I usually do a full Brazilian, but we're just going to do the bikini line today, and honestly I don't feel like doing the full Brazilian yet, so we're just going to do the bikini. Just a little note, you want to make sure the hair is long enough. So you want to make sure that the hair is anywhere between like a grain of rice. So usually either 2, it has a little like it tells you right here how long the hair should be, so that you can know what you need to look for in order for it to be grabbed by the wax. You don't want your hair to be like too long, because if it's too long, then it's kind of, it doesn't really get down to the root of the hair, and it just doesn't, it's not as effective. And you don't want it to be too short, because then you can't pull anything out. So I'm gonna apply some dusting powder to my bikini line. You can use cornstarch. I would say cornstarch. I don't really suggest baby powder, because we all know baby powder has like talc in it. And this is just to pick up any excessive moisture. We don't want to have any moisture down there when we are waxing. You want to make sure that it is as dry as possible so that the wax can do its job. So we're going to start off with the bikini line. So the 3 sizes here that come in, I'm going to actually take these apart so you guys can see it. And if it's your first time waxing, don't be afraid. I feel like if you like have a plan and you follow this kit very well, like, you know, directional wise, you'll be fine. I know like it can be intimidating when you're first like waxing yourself, especially if you're a first timer waxing yourself, but you can do it. You can do it. These size, it's going to come with 3 strips. These thicker strips are great for the bikini line. Also, these skinnier strips are also great for the bikini line. And square ones are better for the top part, okay? So you do get 3 different sizes that you can use when you are doing your bikini. So all you need to do, I'm gonna go with a bigger patch, this one, because I feel like if you have maybe more hair, or if you're a little bit more concerned about like the pain part of it, then you could very well go with the skinnier ones like these here. Just to kind of like help you get into it. But because I've been waxing for a while, I'm gonna go with the thicker one. And so you don't have to rub it between your hands or anything like that. So what you'll do is that you are going to peel them slowly apart. So you take the strip and you slowly peel it apart, just like that. Okay. And then it's the strip in the direction of the hair. So usually when you have the bikini line, for example, my bikini line, the hair grows in like this. So I'm going to apply the strip down here. I'm going to pull the skin taut, and I'm going to pull it up in the opposite direction of hair growth. It is very important that you hold the skin taut. You don't want to bruise or anything like that. So, and that means when I say taut, let me explain this. When I say taut, I mean pulling the skin. You don't have to like pull it too hard, but slightly pulling the skin and then pulling the actual strip, okay? So I'm gonna start on my bikini line. So I'm gonna apply it onto the bikini line, and you wanna actually make sure you rub it in there, okay? You wanna rub it on there so that it really adheres to that hair, okay? And then I'm going to hold the skin taut. I usually hold like this on my bikini, hold the skin taut, and then I pull up with my other hand. So I'm holding the skin taut, and you can count to 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, and you pull. And then you apply pressure. So right after you pull, apply the pressure to the area, and that helps with that pain. And look at that. You guys see the hair? I don't know if it's gross. Is that gross? But you see how much hair has come up. And then I believe you can use this strip again. I think I read that you can use this strip twice. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do it again. So but this time I'm going to pull it in the opposite direction, okay? So I'm going to apply the wax strip. La la la. And I'm going to hold the skin taut. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Ooh. Oh yeah, it definitely picked up a nice amount of hair. And honestly, you guys, this doesn't hurt. This wax is very gentle on the skin. I'm gonna go in on that same area with, I have another strip here. It's very important too to listen to your skin. So if you see your skin becoming irritated or just irritated, red, raw, you make sure you want to stop doing that, or you want to just give your skin a break. It is important that you pay attention to what your skin is telling you when you are waxing yourself, because you don't want to like lift skin or anything. But once you get the hang of it, like once you get the hang of like waxing yourself, 1, 2, 3, Ooh. It gets easier. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is not suggested for use of like your full bikini, just your bikini line. One, two, three. So we're gonna go ahead and move over to the other side of my bikini. I would suggest like not going over any part of your bikini more than 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Felt that one. Once you've been waxing for a while and you've practiced it and you're just more comfortable with it, it becomes easier. But it's just like waxing at home can be intimidating for some, but it gets easier as you are continually doing it. You just got to remember to, you know, pull taut, hold that skin taut, and pull up quickly. And if you pull up quickly and apply that pressure to area, it's so much easier for you. I'm going to use the square strips because the square strips are made for the top part of the bikini. Okay. Place a strip. Hold taut, pull. Ooh. Hold tight, pull. See little hairs. Yeah, so it does pick up a good amount of hair. Okay, so I just completed it. Like I said, I do have a little bit of hair left behind. Personally, for me, I do have more of a coarser hair texture down below, and that's fine. It got me pretty clean. There's just like still some hairs left behind, but my skin is getting a little red, and you do want to pay attention to your skin. If your skin is getting red or irritated, like I said before, you just want to be mindful of that and not continue, like, you know, give your skin a rest for a few weeks and then try it again. So now that we're done with the waxing part of it, you want to go ahead and you want to clean it up. Okay, so you want to go ahead and take these post-wax cloths so that we can get rid of any like a little stickiness or anything that's left behind. So this little post-wax cloth comes like this, and you just want to clean up the area, just removing any of the leftover wax residue. And then so the care after you wax your bikini line is that you want to make sure you are exfoliating. That's one of the major things. Exfoliating in between your waxes is very important because that's going to help you out with how your waxes go, getting rid of that any like dead skin and making sure that your hair can grow back cleaner and smoother makes it easier when waxing. So they do have something here that I thought was pretty cool. It says, take care, drink some water, rest a little, and thank your skin for hanging in. And I think it's just so, like, their little manual is just so inspiring and so catching, and you know, that is needed, okay, when you are waxing yourself at home. Also a little guide here showing you the parts and how you can lay your strips according to where you are waxing, and just making it more familiar with you. And I really do like that. So all in all, you guys, waxing yourself at home can be really easy. It doesn't have to be anything that's crazy, super painful. And with the Flamingo Pubic Wax Kit, I think it just makes everything so much more easier when it comes to waxing yourself at home and maintaining your bikini line or maintaining your bikini in between your waxes. And it's simple, it's easy, it's fast, it works pretty great. And yeah, so that's how you can wax your bikini line at home. If you guys have any questions for me when it comes to this kit or waxing yourself, let me know down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.